Ashish Chaturmohta of JM Financial is with us to run us through what he's making of the market from a futures and options perspective and some trades that he'd want you to take. Ashish, good morning. Good to have you with us here. I mean, the market goes on to the 18K mount, but what beyond that? And here, where do you see entry opportunities to make money?
Hi, good morning, Prashant. So, we have been mentioning about 18,100 and 18,400 in our last calls, and we believe that the trend is very promising considering the kind of, move we are witnessing in entire banking and financials, which contributes close to 30 to 35% of the index contribution. And now we are also seeing a bottoming out process happening in the IT space, which has good 13 to 14% weight in the index. Apart from that, the entire capex theme is also showing a very strong trend, supporting the manufacturing-led, stock contribution. So all put together, I think this is giving a lot of strength to the market. If you look at the shorter-term data points in the yesterday's price action, in the data point, even at 17,900, we have witnessed huge put writing happening. So that gives us a sense that in the immediate short term, 17,900 and 17,800 itself is going to act as a strong support zone for the market. And going forward, I think the next leg could lead for a move towards 18,400 to 18,500 kind of trajectory. In terms of individual stock picks, my first stock pick would be Adani Ports, which we indicated last week also. The stock has hit a fresh all-time high after consolidating for good 18 months. And here we have witnessed a strong buildup of long positions. So I think Adani Ports could be initiated as a long, keep 9-10 as a trading stop loss. We expect the stock to hit 1,000 levels in an immediate short-term basis, but positionally looks good for even 1,100 kind of trajectory in next couple of months. As we mentioned, banking is showing very strong traction. So Axis Bank is one stock which is gaining traction. In the last week, we have seen a considerable OI buildup into the stock. So one can initiate a long, keep 785 as a trading stop loss. 850 in the immediate short term is going to be the target for Axis Bank. And again, in terms of valuation, stock is at significant discount to its peers, whether it's ICICI, HDFC, and Kotak. And the way we expect the loan growth to go towards 16 to 17% in the next 2 years CAGR basis, this is going to entirely benefit the overall private sector banking basket. We are also positive on the QSR theme, and within that, I think Jubilant Food is gaining a lot of traction. Stock has been consolidating for last couple of months, and now we see some signs of a recovery coming into the stock. So if one can initiate a long, keep 610 as a trading stop loss. In the immediate short term, 660, 670 is a target we are looking in Jubilant Food. And last but not the least is the entire specialty chemical space, and particularly the fluorine-based players, whether it's SRF, Gujarat Fluoro, or Naveen Fluorine. So within that, we are liking SRF because company is in its last meeting has indicated a 15,000 crore capex in the next 5 years. And out of that 15,000 crores, 12,500 is going to be purely into specialty chemical. So company intends to grow the entire specialty chemical business by 20% CAGR in the next 5 years. And that's where I think the trend is getting established into SRF's chart as well. Stock has been, consolidating for 6 months, and now a fresh breakout has happened into the stock. So one can initiate a long at with 2680 as a trading stop loss. On upside, 2850 is a shorter term target, but eventually we are looking for a 3,000 kind of levels in next couple of weeks in SRF.